right, this is the elevator at Hard Rock Universal Orlando. And I think there might be someone in the elevator. I wonder who's in the elevator. Yep. Bye.
Here we go.
Dose. It's a very interesting shape. It's a half octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is an octagon. SoftTouch vandal resistant buttons, which are just Petco 55267. Of course, the number 55 has to appear everywhere I go. Hello.
Hello.
Okay. Might as well look up the shaft. Not much to see. Nice GAL door equipment. Must be a lantern there, it seems. Oh, there's behind me. Anyways, there it goes, and that will be it.
Skibidi Toilet Meme. We're here to hurt the body. Skibidi.